Hello students, today I shall solve question number 7, exercise 8.1, trigonometry for class 10. Question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is first question. Second one is, find the value of cot square theta. Right? First of all, we shall draw a right angle triangle A, B, C. Right? We know that sine equal to P by H cos B by H tan P by B. Opposite of tan, cot equal to B by P. Right? So we have to take this. Here in question, cot theta equal to 7 by 8. That will be equal to cot theta is equal to B by P, B by P. So base will be 7, perpendicular will be 8. Perpendicular will be 8. So we have to find first of all hypotenuse. Three sides are there, base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, h equal to root over p square plus b square. That will be p square is equal to 8 square, b square is equal to 7 square. It will be root over 64 plus 49. So h will be root over 4 plus 9 13, 1 5 plus 6 11. So it will be 113. So all sides we have got p is equal to 8, b is equal to 7, h is equal to 113. Right? No unit is given here. So imaginary unit k, p, any unit you can give here. So what is b? So this is given in cot theta. So let angle C will be measured as theta. Right? For angle theta, perpendicular will be AB. Perpendicular is 8K. So it will be 8. Base will be for angle theta BC will be 7. This is hypotenuse. B is right angle. So opposite to right angle side is called hypotenuse. So it is hypotenuse. We have found how much? Root over 113. Right? It is base BC is equal to 7. Hypotenuse root over 113. So three sides we have got. This is for angle theta. Perpendicular will be AB, base will be BC. Perpendicular AB, why? Opposite of given angle theta. This is adjacent side of angle theta, opposite of right angle. So these are the explanation why we are taking perpendicular, base, hypotenuse of a triangle in which manner. So this is the appropriate thinking of keeping perpendicular in mind, base and hypotenuse. Okay. So now sin theta. Sin theta will be P by H. Here P is AB, H is equal to AC, so P is equal to 8, H is equal to AC root over 113, right? Likewise, cos theta will be B by H. B is equal to BC, H is equal to AC, it will be BC is 7, H is equal to root 113. Okay, now the question is sine 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So first of all, what we will do, we shall solve it, apply here algebraic identity. We shall apply here algebraic identity. What is algebraic identity? A plus B, A minus B will be A square minus B square. So it will be 1 square. 1 square will be 1 and sine into sine, sine square theta, right? Likewise, A plus B, A minus B will be A square minus B square. Algebraic identity is there. So 1 square is equal to 1. B for cos here. So this will be minus cos square theta, right? This will be algebraic expression by algebraic identity A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, so this formula we will apply here. Again, 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta will be sine square theta. Why? Again, one formula is there in trigonometry, sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sine square A will be 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A will be 1 minus sine square A. Right. So by this formula we have shortened this question in this form, cos square theta by sine square theta. Now cos theta is equal to how much? Cos theta is equal to 7 by root over 113. 7 by root over 113, and it is a square. So we have given a square divided by sine square theta. Divided by sine square theta. Sine square theta is 8 by root over 133. So here 8 by root over 113. Again we shall do a square here, right? It will come 7 square by 113. Why? Root over will be cancelled by a square, divided by 8 square by 113. So it will be 749 by 113 into, this will be reverse, 113 by 8 square is equal to 64. 113 will be cancelled. So 649 by 64 will be answer. Okay, for first answer it will be 69 by 4. Okay, here 7 by root over 113 is value of cos square, divided by sine, divide sine. Sine square is equal to 8 by 113, 8 by 113 square, it will be 7 square, root over will be cancelled by square, divided by divided, 8 square root over was cancelled by this. 7 square 49, 113 multiplied, reciprocal 113 by 64, 113 cancelled. So answer will be 49 by 64. One answer. Second question is cot square theta. As value of cot is given, so cot square will be 7 by 8 whole square. It will be 49 by 64 answer. Okay, this is the answer. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.